Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us, guys. Thank you so much for clicking my videos. So in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share. Oh, where Vista come from, man? Relax. So guys, on today's videos are very special, and I want to update you guys. For those people who are asking me, hello baby, just travel East Africa, it's large. So guys, this early updation, and hey, that cock too much. So guys, I had to do this before I travel from my home, and I'm remaining with some days around my home, so I want to shoot like much videos from my home, and then you will see, guys, so guys, all the way positive vibe. Hey guys, this cock, it's something else. What's happened? According to our custom and culture, when the cock like repeating several times, you wanna maybe receiving visitor here and there. But nowadays, me, I can't believe those myths and misconception, guys. So guys, this is what I'm calling home for my new subscriber, and after these videos guys, sorry, after these videos, I'll combine my videos which I take my stuff to school, and then you'll see the rest, guys. Maybe at this moment I'm going to prepare myself, washing clothes, and then dry them, packing them, and then I go. Before I left home, guys, I need to do something. 1 2 3, buying sand or balance stones, and then for the construction of my mama dream house, because right now this term or this month, like I didn't shoot videos continuous last month, so my pocket can't allow me, guys, to buy blocks. So it allowed me either to buy 2 tippers of the sand or balance stones, and then I'll talk with my engineer, guys, because let me show, guys. We have the balance stones here, and we have some categories of the balance stones. We have the bigger one, we have the smaller one, so it depends which my engineer needs for. But for the ground, like, no problem. For the ground, put my mom's like, compacting. Let me show you, guys. Follow this. Follow this. We have this ratio 1. Also, let me show you, guys. Okay, guys. We have ratio 2. Also, we have ratio 3. You see. Also, guys, we have ratio 5. Also, you have last 3. Is this one here. So guys, I need you to follow this procedure. So it depends when my engineer advised me. So guys, on my finger here, I have 5 stones. Smaller, smaller one, smaller, medium, like that one, and then bigger one. So these balance stones here, guys. So we have ratio 1, which is a bit expensive. Also, number 2, expensive. Number 3, also. Number 4, a little bit. And number 5, which is this one here, which I bought here. This one tipper goes to $120, guys. That's 1,000, like 14,000 Kenyan shillings. I'm telling you, guys, because when I bought these stones here, one trip I was paying 7,000 Kenyan shillings. That's 60 USD. So this one, it's like that one there, it's 2 times over this one. This one, like, $60. That one is $120. So for this case, guys, to be honest, I'll contact with my engineer by next week, so we arrange our program. Before I leave home, I need to do something, you know, buying either sand, sand or stones, balance stones. You will see, guys, the day is coming, and I'm the guy who follows some steps, so also, guys, it's raining. Oh, the stones hiding inside here, but they are waiting the time of construction. So, guys, it's raining, and my blocks look like something else, Oh my god, look, this is my blocks. But during building the house, then I'll start with the first stock, second, and if I can get mine, guys, maybe later I'll buy one trip. So, guys, in case you're watching these videos for the first time, please supporting me as you can by watching my videos, comment, like, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official with full force, guys. Share my videos to friends, guys. Let's support Hello Baby Official. This is what I'm calling home, and there's one word saying charity starts from home, I think that. But for this case, guys, I'm not doing videos charity. Guys, sorry, I'm doing like transforming my parents' home. I'm not doing charity. Because if we're engaging to do charities videos, sometimes people bring you problems here and there, claiming, oh, hello baby, you are this and this, you denied my money. Me, guys, to be honest, I don't do charity, I'm telling you. So all my videos, it's about building and construction. Like you see me building our toilet on the other side, supporting my uncle because they're part of my family, and also buying materials here and there, So me, I don't want maybe like me, I'm not saying like charity, doing charity at people's place, it's bad, it's good, but the way people taking you around the village, they start like claiming, guys. If they got him, all right, guys, so I'm heading this way, and then to see how this go. This sunflower here, and this one here bend. Something crazy, Those are really hardworking farmer, and also I know him, so he was working so hard, and yeah, big improvements, So I was passing. All right, guys, let me go back home because the time is running, guys, So I'm heading to see my grandma. My great grandma, guys, on this one house here. Let me see and then say hello. Oh man, these are small. Oh, my keys fall down. Okay. Wait, Morio. Yeah? So these are small paper, like a red paper. So when it's ripe, it's look like that one. So let me go and see my great grandma. These mango trees right now here. Wow. Okay. She was not around, guys, because she normally sits here. Wow. This is a banana. I think there's guavas here because I see some reaction down here. You can see, guys, tell you on the comment section. I see, oh my god, there's guavas here, man. I haven't knew, guys, and here is my home. it tells you, you see here, these guavas. Oh my god. Also, we have this, we have the one here. And guys, also this is a medicine, you know, when maybe when you injured yourself, and then this one you burn on the fire, and then you start like doing like this. You see here, you do like this, guys. Let me show you. You do like this. For example, you peel it, this one, you burn on fire. When it melts, and then you start doing like this, guys, you know, like that, like that, guys, because I'm alone, but I'll try my best. Okay, you burn on fire, and then you do like this. When maybe your hand or leg get problem, you do like this, you know. This one, it's a medicine, guys. So at the same time, this guava's leaves also, it's a medicine. At the same time, it acts as tea leaves, you know, that one here. So you plug it like some leaves, you know, and then you dry, and then you crush into powder form, and then it's just cooking tea. One day, guys, I will try this one, because me, when I was having my internet, or when I have that on my phone, I was making some research of leaves here and there. So like this one here, I was studying since I was in primary school. Up to nowadays, it's stick on my mind. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and more amazing videos coming. So today I make a mistake, tomorrow I correct it, you know. So no man who is perfect. Okay. Well guys, right now it's early morning, and we're struggling passing here with my sister. Kasongo. Kasongo. Wow. Let's go. Wow. So guys, you see the sun coming from other side, you know. Let's go. Wow. So it's quite a little bit morning, guys, here. Wow. So that's how my morning looks like, you know. I take my sister to school right now, and because the road is not okay down there, so you wanna fall down because it's muddy, guys, you know. Our car outside is right here. Let's go. And my big aim to wake up right now, guys, is to go and pick my power bank, and then coming back home to boost my phone, you know. Okay, let's go. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good? Hey, now this my sister, she was smart, guys, you see. Oh, wow. And that's cool, a nice school bag, you know. Hair have been made very nice. Okay guys, so I'm escorting my sister at the same time to school, guys, you know. When I was around here, I take care of my family, you know, including my sister. But my young brother, went to school very early in the morning. So they have bought two different of time, you know. My sister went around 7 o'clock in the morning, but my brother around I think 11, you know. No, I think 5. They already wake up and then rush to school. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. You know, trees are waving, you know, east west, but the good thing is the sunrise from east set toward west. No, set from rise from east, west it sets, you know. We have, that's why we're calling East Africa and Western Africa, you know. So the sun set Western Africa, rise Eastern Africa. Okay, let's go. You know? Wow. Okay. Village life. Okay, guys. So let's go. For those people asking me how was my prince or my young sister, just over here taking her to school, guys. I love her so much, you know. Oh, okay, it's good, you know, to love your young sibling. Like, you don't want to become like, oh, tough brother, you know, this and this. No. On this side here, guys, these trees are indigenous trees, you know. In our language, we called esebe. You know this one? In our language, we known as esebe. So there are local trees, you know. At the same time, are indigenous trees. So during back years, people come and make a mark with a panga, and after some few minutes, there is a gum, like a blue gum. There's a gum there, so a white one, you know, these trees. And then after few, like 2 to 3 hours, they come with some sticks, like 2 of them, doing like this, you know, and then go and cook them on the fire, and then they start trapping, like rolling on the stick, and then when the birds come, stick on there, it can't go. And then that's how they hunt birds in other way. That trees that you see on other side, you know. Yeah. The good thing about me, I share with you this story from A up to Z, guys, you know. Nothing to be fake there. Me, I'm just showing you the reality. Stazaka. Wenta uniwara. Ai. Ai. Okay. That's my brother from another mother. So guys happened. Am I fake? Hey. People. Because right now it's cold, and I told my sister just uplift your socks. Wow, it's the kind of roads that we have here. Huh? Utapita? Woo. Kanyanga hapo, kids are struggling, guys. You see, and we have leaders, guys. Imagine, you know, even our young siblings are struggling to pass here, guys, you know. Me, I'm praying, guys, one day if people are working in government, just wake up, do something for people. Look, this is the kind of road that we have here, you know. So that's the most of the time I wash my bike, and then people wonder, whoa, hello baby, anytime you wash your bike. This is the kind of roads that we have here. Look, these are kind of a shame, and we have leaders, you know, poor roads, you know, and every day we pay tax, you know, and then there's no any improvement, mostly for the interior part of the village. No improvement. Me, I believe before government done something to my family, I want to try my best, you know, to do. And then if the government want to try to do something for my family or I personally, I want to try my best to do my part, you know. Wow, like guys, me 100%, I'm the guy who values education, and I take my brother to school in the university. Also, at the same time, I pay my sister's school fees, you know. I don't want to rely on government. Like, oh, government, they will pay school fees here and there. No, 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 no. So, that is it, guys, you know. So for the people who are watching these videos and you are working in government, please do something for the people here, you know. Imagine, like my sister, they were struggling to pass there. What about the small kid who went to school, like in preschool? The small kid, how can I manage to pass on that place, you know? Okay guys, let's go. I don't want to talk much more, but if I could a leader, guys, I could do something for the people, you know. Okay. Wow, apart from that, guys, I'm showing you how my village is super green. You see, right, left, center, everything is purely green, you know, super natural. And other leaves are medicinal, I'm telling you, you know. Hey guys, it's been a while without taking soup. I think maybe I'll try my best today to drink soup in the boiler town, you know. Wow. So you know, when you're taking soup at the same time, you'll regenerate, you know. Like if maybe you are feeling like you are sick, at the same time like you feel like pain to be tired, when you drink soup like 1 cup, man, that's the end of the story. Wow. Okay, just move it. Even right now, guys, you can't imagine my bike. It's full of mud. And then I decide, okay, let me walk. So when I reach on the other side right there, I'll left my sister to go, and then me, I'll go that way to take my power bank, you know. Imagine, guys, all the way from my home, I charge my power bank on this side here, because without electricity we can't run your accessory, like electronic stuff, like my phone, camera, and also other stuff, you know. Okay. I think we still got another friends ahead, so they will go. Unasoma na huyo? Na wewe? Grade 1. Yeah, guys. I'm asking my sister, did you study that young kid there? My sister told me she was PP1, and for her, she was grade 1. Big improvements. Okay. Wow. See, I don't know why young kids, most girls love this bag. See, this one here. Hey. Toto, say hello. Yes, and then the nicest. Okay, guys, me, I'm heading on the other side to pick my power bank. Okay, guys, nothing to be black, you know. Me, I'm showing you the reality. Wow, this video, it's raw and uncut, nothing to be edited here, nothing to be cut. It's the big guys. Shh. I don't want to be louder because other people are sleeping. Odi. Magu. Odi. George. Okay, guys. Look at these flowers here. I think these are lemon, guys. Not mango. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, it's a lemon. Lemon. Yeah, we do like that, you know. These lemon trees here. Hadi akitanga kabeja power bank kama iko leto. Ina hata viwili ni kuchaja simu kwa zio. Nkama steam ilienda. It's smelling good. Yeah. Oh my god. Hii chaji imeharibika. Hii itachaji simu mbili ishaharibika. Taleta mida. Okay guys, this is my power bank. So it's my time to go back home and charge my phone, you know. Oh, this place is too small. Okay. Alright guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and this is my power bank, guys, you know, boosting my phone. So we shall meet on the next videos. Be blessed, guys. Hey. Atoto da umeshinda kuvuka. Una gambut. Una gambut. Ache. Anduru tandara. Safi. Ando amejua amevaa gambut. Andrew, una gambut? Hey. Aya. Yeah. We're having gambut because now this place passing here, it's something else, guys. I'm telling you. You see, young kids struggle to pass here, you know. But things will be okay. Most kids are not king, yo. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Pavokin. Guys, you remember this guy yesterday making chapati, you know, during my brother's wedding. How you keep on? Couldn't go. Yeah. Wow. So, if yesterday you were watching my videos keenly, that's my young brothers from another mother making chapati, rolling chapati, spinning chapati. Two things, you know. And he know how to cook chapati or prepare chapati, you know. So, wow. Guys, at this case, I'm heading home. And guys, keep praying for me. This year will never end. I must have my solar panel. By God's grace, I'll have my solar panel. Because going to people's home, charging my phone, charging my power bank, it's something headache, you know. So the good thing that I'm going to do is to have my own stuff, you know. At the same time, I realized going to people's home, knocking the door very in the morning, other people are sleeping, you know, it's not good on my side. So the better option is to have my own solar panel, you know. I don't know when the electricity will be arrived at home. Whew. Let's go. Mzee, waliimbulia viene. Eh? Alright guys, I'm just outside with my baby here, you know. Okay guys. Oh my god, let me wipe them because you know guys, we have poor roads here. And actually guys, I was making cleaners with my bike, you know. So let's do it guys, let's do it. Wow, wow, super clean, super clean guys, you know. And guys, on this case, I want to do this before I travel guys, you know. It's time to travel. And oh, that's the Rory. I need to make my hair and then to be look decent before I start traveling a little bit, you know. So for those people who are asking, oh sawa, for those people who ask me, hello baby, East Africa, it's large, show us a little bit. And guys, also I have dream to travel, but I'm building my mama the dream house, which is coming soon. So earlier I was promising you guys, before I start building the house for my mama, I want to travel a little bit. So right now guys, this it's early updation, you know. Okay, it's early updation. So wow. So before I left home, next week I want to fill my bike full tank, change the oil, and then when I start traveling, I left my bike in good way, because you never know guys, you know. Okay guys, okay. Wow. Wow. So I had a lot of things to do, you know, making my hair, buying some materials, and then I want to travel like 1 week, 3 to 4 days, and then coming back home. Morio vipi? Poa. Nipo. Si, tafuta simu. Eh. Hii kitu za simu unafungua tu unafanya vile.
Hadi mimi unajua ni ndio tu nilikosa venye.
Simu, wewe tafuta tu simu nzuri. Yes guys, he needs to open a YouTube channel, so I'm telling him you must have a good phone. Simu tu. Una simu gani? Una simu gani?
Ina Samsung.
Gani?
A05.
Itafanya. Utakuwa upload video unafuta. Fanya na upload unafuta.
Si nije na watu kama nadhani.
Ni sawa. Mimi sijakataa. Na uwe na bando kwa simu. Hiyo siku ukinipata tu wakati wote. Hata leo ukinikutana.
Sawa, nitafuta.
Hai. Okay. So guys, I'm telling you I need to make hair to be look so decent. I am son. Okay guys, you see, that's my fans, and everybody has a dream to do YouTube career. You know, it's a free internet, but it need people to put more effort, you know, here and there. It's not an easy thing, you know. It's a matter of hard working. So guys, I'm heading to Border Town, so going and making my hair. That being said earlier, I'm looking like Shagala Bagara, you know, a little bit. So let's go, you know. Oh my god. Okay. Restaurant, try there. So guys, the good thing about that guy, he was passing here and I was creating my videos, and then he stopped the motorbike, take a U-turn, told me, bro, please help me to open a YouTube channel. I told him, if you have a good phone, you're ready to go, you know. On that, only good phone, and then you're ready to go. So that's a good. Okay guys, so guys, sorry, I'm going to make my hair, so there is no need to wear the helmet because it's gonna interfere with my hair. So guys, sorry for that. Let's go. Wow, what a time. Okay guys. Woo! Too much wind. Wow, those are drivers that have been prepared for the people. So guys, yesterday we celebrated a local wedding. And people ask me, hello babe, we didn't see the wedding take place, you know. All of that you see taking place, you know, eating mandazi, and then I show you the girl have been wearing flowers or clothes. That is a girl who gets married, guys. People must watch my videos to the length without skipping, and then you get a little bit concept. Alright guys, let's move, you know. I swear in God guys, trust me, anytime I want to travel guys, from next week, you know. Woo! Kasongo! guys, from next week, but I'm not 100% sure which dates and time.
Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Hello Baby's official YouTube channel. Here I met Hello Baby going to Border Town, so I was coming from Border Town. I decided to greet him first before I passed through home way. So guys, please, I'm also an upcoming YouTuber. You can go there and subscribe to my channel by linking the name Rioba_Mosh. Watch for the amazing video there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's Roma Catholic Church. So I'm heading this way, guys. You know. Wow. That's vlogs, man. Hey. All right. Okay. People wonder what Hello Baby I'm doing. Like I'm talking myself. Let's go. This is Border Town. It's a business, like business took place here, you know. Buying maize from neighborhood country. Oh, and then from neighborhood country, and then it's go to Mombasa, up to Nairobi, you know. That's a KK right there. See, from bats. Wow. Let's go. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and share, comment, like, you know. That's the best way to support Hello Baby official, you know, to improve my channel, guys. Yeah. Wow. Moving up. Spania police station. Alright, business everywhere, you know. We have retailer shop, Kibandeski, you know, everything. Okay. Woo! Okay. Masai, watu wamejaa. I left my bike here. Nataka mtengeneze Unapata si ndio? Kwa sawa.
Hello baby, sasa tengeneza. Mimi sijaona ukipost ile ingine.
Gani?
Kuna yenye ulichukua hapa. Yote.
Una data nikuonesha. Let's every day guys I find my brother.
Basi nini hapa?
Unataka iende.
Yangu kwa yako.
Labda after premiere hii video. Yes, simtengeneza hela jamani. Guys, I want to make my hair. Unasema unataka kuona video yenye niliweka. Introduce yourself.
Hello guys. Morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Masai girls once again. What I remind you is to your subscription, like, comment and share. Go search my videos, watch my playlist. You'll find goodies there. Thank you.
To the end. Okay. Tell me what video. Koboda town.
Hiyo ni ya kitambo. Sikuna hii.
Okay. Guys, after that I'll show you how to make my hair. Guys, this is Tony. Tony, say hello.
Hello guys.
Yes. You know, he was my brother from another mother. Another mother. Yes, guys. Because I realized when I'm saying my brother, people think brother, like blood to blood.
Hello guys, I'm here with Hero Baby.
Okay, introduce yourself, bro.
I'm called, I have a channel on YouTube. It's called Frank Art. It's about drawing, pencil drawings and other arts.
Why do you choose drawing and art? You like
my
draft
talent.
and art?
It's my talent.
Okay, even me I have a talent. I know how to draw.
You know how to draw with a pencil.
Yes, if you choose.
That's my talent.
Yes. So guys, oh, that's a Rory. Tony want to make my hair, and then you see a magic. Maji yamegota.
Unasema rotate what? Hebu rudi nyuma.
Eka hivyo straight. Think right now is a liquid soap, shampoo. Tulimana hata si moto. And then I sit here. So there's some piece of towel gonna cover here around my neck. Tuni tangu hiambe mura. Yes, this fancy shampoo, crystal fresh shampoo. Hey, best quality. Oh, mpaka tubomoe sasa. Tubomoe is like unasema to unfold it. Yes. Unajua nitoka shule kitambo.
Ama we are unstyling.
To unfold my hair and then you fold it.
What about to unstyle?
Yote ni sawa. Sasa tunakaa. Yes, they can subscribe. Frank Art. Unguza sauti leo.
Usilete copyright. Unajua umechapa copyright.
Okay. Umeona? Weka mtochi video utaona pati yako.
Hello babe. Unajua umechapa copyright asu.
Si ndio yenye wanaweka muziki ya wengine. Okay guys. That's to me. Guys, I had to do this before I travel, you know. Mara Kenya ni kubwa. Nataka nikae pale pwani kidogo.
Mombasa.
Sina acha pikipiki ni mimi na mama pikipiki.
Unataka kuitunza kwa muda kabisa.
Kwani sina kwetu.
Sina acha tu kwa kwani kuna shida kwa cha kwa nini?
Utakuja ile siku moja series. Imechafuka shamba. Hivi nywele yangu imekuwa kubwa kwa hiyo. Tuninipe uhakika kama hii.
Lakini ile hakuna complain ukiweka kwa dryer. Hakuna complain ukiweka kwa dryer.
Umeitengeneza?
Sina dryer. Dress inapanga sawa, sema tu ndio utakayekubauka nini.
Yeah guys, I fear the dryer because it's burned my skin a lot. Hiyo dryer. Hey, inachoma ngozi yangu jamani.
Sema utaki tu kuonyesha wasungu.
Tony, hii nywele imefikia wapi tukati?
Tukati sahi.
Okay guys, it's time to wash. See?
Yeah.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel.
Ningekugonga, si ndio? Ningekugonga.
Wow.
Mwambie mimi ni hatari.
Tulia. Tulia. The water is hot or warm?
It's warm.
Yes, it's warm.
Yeah.
Not hot.
Not hot, it's warm.
Not hot will burn my skin. Warm.
But you know hot water is the best.
Yeah. Hey.
It melts the wax.
Oh,
Yeah.
not warm.
Yeah, warm is not the best.
Okay.
Hot one is the best.
Guys, we flowed vibe till the end. Mechafuka vumbi kweli.
Very dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty guys, you see that. Oh. Lakini sasa ukisuka mbili mbili utakuwa naosha sasa.
Unajioshia?
Nitakuwa naoga.
Sasa niombe Mungu. Kaita Mungu. Unajua mimi na Mungu ni
Hello baby, I'm sleeping.
nafikiria kuja hivi kesho.
Karibu.
Asante. Nisaidie 500 kwanza.
Nzuri. Sasa bwana 500.
Halo? Mimi niko hapa karibu na kwenu hapa.
Si nimekuja nimelia kwanza. Mimi sina saa hii. Ndio nimefanyia mambo mabaya. Okay guys. It's time to apply shampoo.
Fast washing.
Wow.
Nimeona online sana.
Sio mtoto na mpaka nimeambia Brenda sasa nikumpiga nitampiga. Nikitia ingia nani nijifungie. Ananigongea.
So mtafutie 500, ananipa ya kesho, anakuja kutengeneza.
Ama niende da kesho nikuje bila hela.
Ndio hii.
Ama kesho nikuje bila hela.
Ananipa ya kesho.
Okay guys.
Ama niende da kesho nije bila hela. Leta niombe mtini. Hadi niende tena.
Sasa simu yangu sijui iko wapi. Hamjanionea simu.
Right.
Mkuja lini tukulie pamoja?
That's what my brother doing, eh?
Thank you for your like. I'm waiting
That's
also for your
first round. Now we are
subscription.
going for the second round.
Okay, that's first round.
Yeah, we are going for the second round.
Okay guys.
Which round saito?
Which round do you know?
How many rounds?
We'll go around.
Specify the rounds you're talking about. Thank you, thank you.
Oh my god. washing my hair. Oh my god. You see at the back? Okay. Oh my god, soft life. Guys, I think I'm done. My first process.
Mama Kipenda.
Yes.
Umesema kesho tena tuweke dai.
Okay.
Wewe kesho nani ndiye ananisimamia dai? Tony. Yes. Umesikia?
Shikamo.
Marahaba. Hukumenisalimia?
Bado.
Kesho naweka dai kwa bili yako.
Haina shida.
Umesikiaje hapo?
Haina shida, nishasikia.
Tony, si ulipe basi leo.
Unaweka ngapi? Juu hata dai bado.
Kesho.
Utaweka ngapi? Juu hata dai leo hatuna, nataka niende nifuate huko tu sasa hivi.
Si umwambie, yani bosi anaongea utume nyamaza.
2 tu. Sawa, kesho tutakuwekea.
2.
2 itatosha. Sawa.
Kwa hivyo mimi kesho nakuja na jinyoosha na akiwa dai.
Done.
Tena kesho nakaa style mbaya ya madharau, unaona hivi. Kesho nitawasumbua.
Kuona vile utasumbua.
Asuna kibasi sumbua. Haya mambo. Mambo. Dalili amekuja, amechukua chupa, amepasua chupa ya soda. Unajua siku hata namsikia.
Ulikuwa unalala?
Nilikuwa bedroom. Nilikuwa nafanya natandika kitanda. Siku mpaka naambia bwana mimi sijasikia mtoto humu ndani. Kitu nimesikia ni sangala. Kwa leo ndio fanya.
Umefanya nini?
Haina shida. Guys.
Kiti iko ndani.
Yeah?
Kiti iko ndani.
Okay. Guy, how am I going to look when I'm walking like that? Hey!
You look like a criminal, eh?
Yeah?
You look like a criminal.
Criminal, bro?
You'll be arrested.
No.
The
No one
police
who
find you
arrest
like that, you'll be arrested.
No, no one. So should I stand hapa kwa jua? Na ni nyeusi. Kijana mdogo era nyingi. Yeah, Raya they sold second-hand clothes, you know. Yeah, guys. Let me. Oh. Woo. When I'm not crotchet or stylist my hair, I'm look like that, guys. Serious. Sijui nitembee leo hivyo, unaonaje? I'm asking my brother. I think today should I walk like that? What do you think? Nitembee hivyo? How do you see my hair? Okay. I'm asking my brother. He didn't understand my local English. Siziko sawa nikitembea hivi? Hey bro, people will suspect me. But I mean, I'm proud of myself. No one will suspect me. Because hivyo hivyo zinakuwa ku sasa, kwa hivyo niende bila crochet, bila kuwax hivyo tu. Kwa hivyo niende afu nije ndo muni Tony, gani ndio imefunguka?
Gani imefunguka?
Ona kama hivi. Sasa wewe ananiambia eti nitembee hivyo. Ndio nikianza kusafiri nije Musonge mbili. Unaonaje?
Tukianza kusafiri
ndio
isongo mbili. Sasa hivi ni hivi bila kuwax, ama tu wax alafu ache.
Eti bila kuwax kai mkosa.
Bila kufanya chochote, mpake mafuta.
Hivyo.
Ona uko sawa naye. Ukiwa hivi.
Wewe unaona kwa
Guys, I'm retouching. I'm gonna find it. Just to retouch.
I'm retouching.
Okay.
He's retouching, bro.
I'm totally tired like a goat, guys. Hey, Tony. Sisi nyama zote zitaenda. Nimechoka kama kimbuzi. Ndio kimbuzi kichoke sana.
Wewe unaongea tu kama chorani.
Okay. Guys. Oh.
Window.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the thing that we are afraid of.
Dry.
You want to enter into a dryer? Okay. But it's not healthy.
Why?
You just enter because people are entering.
Sio nzuri. Kama sio nzuri utoe.
Ni nzuri.
Kasi umesema it's not healthy.
Yeah, it's not healthy. It can affect the scalp.
Hakuna. Yaani skala ya Mwafrika ni ngumu. Oh my god. Chome watu.
Why is it not entered?
Mio napo amani kama.
Leo sijapekea ni. Naona kupenda sasa.
Oh.
Hapo iko sawa.
Alright guys, I'm back home and oh, let me open my jacket because you know. Okay guys, let me put here. Oh my gosh. And then put my jacket here. So guys, this is what my mom prepared for me: beans, chapati, and also inside here milk tea. Wow, you know guys, so I was in Border Town. That's my new look hairstyle. Let me see my African mom to say hello. You know, since morning I was not around. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Hey, umepika chapati nzuri. Yeah mama, like najiandaa. Safari ni mbele. Yeah guys, I'm telling my mama I'm preparing myself before I travel, guys. I'm telling you guys, I saw in God the day is coming. Okay, mom.
Hi.
Can you enjoy?
Hi.
Yes. Wow. Let's see. Wow. That's how my house looks like. Like everything is like here and there, shagala bagala. Oh man. Yeah, it's good to have parents, man. You see how my mama served me? You know, this milk tea. Wow. This is my food that on the table, beans here, and it tells you people around in my village here, they are purely farmers, and farming or agriculture is the backbone, you know. So guys, let me pray for my food, and then we enjoy. Amen, guys. All right, food on the table. This chapati, like 2 of them. I'll put this one here. Let me see, right here, and then we roll. Village life. Do like this. Alright, guys, so it's time to end my videos, and I'm from other side checking our cows. So this is the best time to end my videos. You see my baby, it's purely clean, it tells you no jogging around, where the money, money. I bought this one, but I shocked other people, me, I'm trying to advise, if Hello Baby can try to make it, why not you? More so the youth outside there, I'm trying to give you free advice, I'm trying all means as I can make some improvement. Also, you guys, mostly the young youths like me, we have some other different jobs, here and there, like careers. And then here and there, you can work as a shopkeeper, you can work as a retailer, anything, any career, any goal, guys. And then you can try to make it improving in your life, you see. So me, I have my motorbike. I said, God, thank you so much for those people supporting me. My God bless you a million times. Without you guys, you couldn't see my smile on this platform. And let me know, guys, if okay, that's the other story for tomorrow. So we have the beautiful flowers here. So guys, we shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Much blessing, and I love you so much, guys. So bye.